The potato's journey begins. Have you ever wondered how a simple potato transforms into the crispy, mouth-watering Lay's chips we all love? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to uncover the journey from farm to snack aisle. Harvesting potatoes. It all begins on the farm. Lay's works closely with skilled farmers who specialize in growing the perfect potato. Not all potatoes make the cut. Only those with the right size, shape, and texture qualify to become Lay's chips. Transport to the factory. Once harvested, the potatoes are quickly transported to Lay's factories worldwide. Speed is essential to ensure freshness every step of the way. Cleaning and prepping. At the factory, the potatoes go through a rigorous cleaning process. This step removes dirt and ensures they're spotless. Then, they're peeled to reveal their smooth, starchy interiors. Precision slicing. The peeled potatoes are then sliced with incredible precision. The thickness of each slice is carefully controlled to create chips that are crispy but not too thin. Cooking to perfection. Next, the slices are cooked in high-quality vegetable oil at precise temperatures. This process gives Lay's its signature golden color and iconic crunch. Adding flavor. Flavor time. Whether you love classic salted or bold barbecue, every chip is evenly coated with seasoning for consistent taste in every bite. Quality control. Lay's chips go through rigorous quality checks to ensure each bag meets the highest standards. Every batch is inspected for the right texture, flavor, and freshness. Packaging and delivery. Finally, the chips are packaged to lock in that just-made freshness. From there, they're distributed to stores around the globe, ready to bring joy to snack lovers everywhere. Snack time. And that's the story of Lay's chips, an incredible journey from the farm to your fingertips. Next time you open a bag, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship behind every crunchy bite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Gizmo View for more amazing content.